Is Java purely object oriented programming language? The answer is no. Java is not a purely object oriented programming language because it supports primitive data types that are not objects. In Java, we have 8 primitive data types. So, programming language to be purely object oriented, it needs to have everything as objects. That is, it needs to store everything as objects. In Java, we have 8 primitive data types which are directly stored on the memory. We don't have objects for them inside the heap. The static variables are stored in the method area, also known as metaspace, and other primitive data types are stored directly on the stack. To resolve this, we have wrapper classes where we can create the respective objects for these primitive data types. The second reason is accessing static fields. In Java, we can access static variables and methods using the class name without creating objects for that class. So it becomes easier for us, and due to this, we can say Java is not purely object oriented. In this example, we have class test and static count variable which we can directly access using the class name test and count. Similarly, we can access the static method using the class name. No need of any object creation. And as per OOPS, everything must revolve around class and object. But here we can access method and variables directly. Also, the main method from where Java program execution start is also static. So JVM can access it using directly the class name, and thus Java is not purely object oriented.